Shiba Inu coin holders, welcome back to the channel. We do have some major things to talk about in this video as it relates to the Shiba Inu coin price. And we could be getting set for an epic comeback rally, according to some analysts out there. We'll talk about that in this video, give you guys everything you need to know about what's going on with SHIB from a price standpoint. You guys know that Shiba Inu really needs Ethereum more than anything right now. Ethereum has been stuck. Bitcoin dominance has continued to rise. That will happen, I think, eventually. That's my opinion here. Not financial advice, entertainment purposes only here. I'm just a talking head on YouTube. But I do think Ethereum will start to make some headway eventually against Bitcoin. When that happens, then all eyes turn to ERC20 cryptos, SHIB and Pepe being two of the largest market cap ERC20 cryptos should see a significant rally. Now, this article, though, is interesting, and stay with us here in this video, guys. Go ahead and smash that like button. This is fascinating, what we've got cooking up here and some of the things we're looking at, okay? So we always want to have as much information and as many different perspectives as we can as we're trying to navigate this cryptocurrency market. So I want this video to get out there to the masses. You guys can make it happen. Drop a comment down there, smash the like button. Let's get this thing up over 1,000 likes. And obviously subscribe to the channel so you guys see every single time we put out a new video. SHIB right now on the verge of a golden cross. Here's the price comeback scenario that we are referencing here. A week ago, you today reported on this, possible scenarios that could lead to a golden cross on the price chart. Well, we're looking at this a little closer now. So 7 days have passed. The price of SHIB has seen some serious turbulence. We had a big pull down yesterday, 2 days ago now. Big pull down 2 days ago. Big sell off on Friday. We got that Tether news that, the SEC or U.S. government was going to be investigating Tether. This has been in the news before. Kind of a FUD attack a little bit. And, here's the thing. Tether has been questionable for a while. This just tanked the markets at the end of the week here. We are reversing, though, with SHIB and the overall market, which is good. So that's, why we had the turbulence. Now, there's more here. It seemed, quote, so over for the hopes of meme cryptocurrency enthusiasts and the golden cross in particular when the price of SHIB unexpectedly made an upward push above 16.3 where the 50-day moving average stretches. What's more is the price curve then retested the indicating band, and the bulls actually showed support. The 50-day moving average is one of the two key components of the golden cross, being the curve that crosses the other on the upside. In our case, despite the painful double-digit drop in the price of SHIB, the bulls managed to hold it within the area between the two moving averages. It only confirms the initial prediction that SHIB may be poised for a golden cross and still paints the future bright for all SHIB enthusiasts. Now, we are looking at, the price here on SHIB. We are below the 20-day moving average. We could take a look at the technicals. It's kind of a 50-50 shot. When you look at the short-term time frames here, the 10, 20, and 30-day, we are below our current, baseline averages. When we look at our long-term averages, 50-day, 100-day, and at least the EMA 200, not so much the SMA 200, we are looking at a buy, meaning we are above some of these longer time frame moving averages. So this was actually really important that we had the dip, obviously, on SHIB. The fact that we recovered here, though, and stayed above water, above some of these long-term time frames, moving averages, rather, it's actually a really big deal. And it keeps this in check, okay? Still paints the future bright, and it still may be poised for that golden cross, okay? So we still have the likelihood of this happening because the bulls stepped in when they did basically yesterday and here today in the market. Now, we'll take a look at the overall market. We'll come back to this in just a sec. But Bitcoin is back at 67.5 here today, up about 1%. Same thing with the rest of the market. We could see here if we scroll on down, Shiba Inu's up 0.6%, still sandwiched in between Avalanche and Bitcoin Cash right now by market cap. Bitcoin Cash climbing up above Chainlink recently to claim that 14th spot. But overall, market's pretty today. Not much brewing, but it was a really, really good comeback. Now, I do think we're going to have a major price comeback for the price of SHIB here in this cycle at some point. As I mentioned, lot of it's going to hinge on Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum right now below 2,500. You can see here in the last year, it has not been phenomenal for ETH. Okay, this is the yearly outlook. If you look at this, just in the last year's time frame, yeah, last November 2023 was the really rough part of the market cycle, rough part of the bear market. We were down below 2,000. We had that pop up, man, in March where we crossed over 4K, and a couple different times there, and then in June we had a nice run up there, then another decent run up in July. But since that time frame, man, look at this. We have just been stuck way down here. It has just been brutal here since August, September, October have come around. But eventually, I think we're going to get another big burst like we did, in February and March, where we saw the price go from basically where we are right now, a little bit lower, all the way up to 4K. When that happens, or when that happened rather, SHIB went up 100% in like a week's time frame, if you guys remember back in March. So it's very, very tied to Ethereum, right? We know this. And if you look at this, these are the weekly candles here. Look what happened in February and in March. These two weekly candles, look at this. Huge momentum moves. I mean, we broke our zero. We were at 5 zeros way back here. Broke our zero, wicked all the way up to 4.6. I mean, this was an insane move in a 2-week span. Check this out. I mean, we're talking, look at that, 235% move, which was crazy. I mean, in a 2-week span, guys, with SHIB. Since that time frame, obviously, we've come back down. But if you look at the weekly here, I mean, ever since we got to mid-September here, things are looking up on the up and up. Okay, this is, again, the weekly chart here. Things are looking on the up and up for about, a month, 5 weeks now. We're basically consolidating. Yeah, a little bit of a pullback here this week, obviously, to close things out. But, again, holding the crucial line here. And, again, if we look on this time frame on the weekly candles, we are above that 20-day moving average when we look at that. RSI looks pretty good, too. So, listen, guys, I think SHIB will make a comeback no matter what. It's just a matter of when that happens. And if you guys want to come trade with me over on Margex, we are doing that. Links down below. And, of course, XTAlgo. If you guys are serious about trading, you want to make, you want to maximize your gains in this market, XTAlgo gives you simple visual indicators to win, to know when to get in and know when to get out. You can use this anytime, anywhere, on the road, in a hotel, doesn't matter. You can easily set up your own customized alerts. I walk you through how to do all this, and it's a little over $1 a day to get started with the 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like the product, within 30 days, full refund. So if you're serious about crypto, check out XTAlgo. It can help level up your trading game and give you the best entries and exit points in crypto. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.